Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Media YouTube channel. Now we are going to see turmeric price in major parts of India. Turmeric price in Tamil Nadu. Auction Mandi Perundurai. Turmeric finger price 58 rupees 33 paise to 79 rupees 31 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk price 54 rupees 29 paise to 69 rupees 84 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 979 bags. Turmeric auction mandi Perundurai. New turmeric wholesale price. Turmeric finger 66 rupees 6 paise to 86 rupees 31 paise per 1 kilogram. New turmeric bulk price. Minimum price 63 rupees 10 paise to maximum price 78 rupees 9 paise per 1 kilogram. Auction mandi Erode regulated market. Turmeric finger price. Minimum price 62 rupees 89 paise to maximum price 86 rupees 59 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk minimum price 55 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 78 rupees 9 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 2856 bags. New turmeric price. Auction mandi Erode society. Turmeric finger minimum price 68 rupees 99 paise to maximum price 89 rupees per 1 kilogram. New turmeric bulk price. Minimum price 64 rupees 69 paise to maximum price 78 rupees 14 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 1170 bags. Auction mandi Gopisettipalayam. Turmeric finger price 71 rupees 71 paise to 87 rupees 69 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk minimum price 70 rupees 29 paise to maximum price 76 rupees 9 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 339 bags. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in Andhra Pradesh. Auction mandi Dugirala. Turmeric finger minimum price 53 rupees to maximum price 69 rupees 11 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk minimum price 53 rupees to maximum price 67 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 74,170 kilograms. Now we are going to see turmeric wholesale price in Telangana. Auction mandi Bahinsha. Turmeric finger minimum price 48 rupees 28 paise to maximum price 77 rupees 15 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 17,510 kilograms. Auction mandi Jagital. Turmeric finger minimum price 30 rupees to maximum price 70 rupees 11 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk minimum price 30 rupees to maximum price 62 rupees 11 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric sales 2,63,000 kilograms. Auction mandi Gollapalli. Turmeric finger minimum price 58 rupees and maximum price 60 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk price 59 rupees to maximum price 65 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric sales 3,500 kilograms. Auction mandi Mahabub Mansion. Turmeric bulk price 60 rupees and maximum price 90 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 3,000 kilograms. Auction mandi Nizamabad. Turmeric finger minimum price 50 rupees and maximum price 90 rupees 50 paise. Turmeric bulk price 40 rupees 27 paise to maximum price 79 rupees 80 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 18,36,400 kilograms. Auction mandi Warangal. Turmeric finger minimum price 44 rupees to maximum price 70 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric bulk price minimum 40 rupees to maximum price 66 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 30,000 kilogram. Turmeric wholesale price in Karnataka. Auction mandi Bangalore. Turmeric stick minimum price 95 rupees and maximum price 140 rupees per 1 kilogram. Turmeric finger sales 3,000 kilograms. Turmeric auction mandi Maharashtra. Auction mandi Bokar. Turmeric minimum price 45 rupees and maximum price 72 rupees 50 paise per 1 kilogram. Total sales 13,500 kilograms. Auction mandi Hingoli. Turmeric minimum price 66 rupees 95 paise to maximum price 78 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 5,06,000 kilograms. Auction Mandi Jintur, turmeric minimum price 66 rupees 50 paise to maximum price 79 rupees 30 paise per 1 kilogram. Turmeric sales 9,000 kilograms. Now we are going to see turmeric price in Gujarat. Turmeric Auction Mandi Surat, raw turmeric minimum price 10 rupees to maximum price 18 rupees per 1 kilogram. Total sales 5,500 kilograms. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. Thank you for watching this video.